Let's manage your third-party cookie settings in Google Chrome on Android right now to clean up your browsing privacy. Grab your phone and open up the Chrome app. Once you are on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap on the three vertical dots. This opens up your main menu. From here, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you need to scroll down until you see the option that says Site Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, look for the section labeled Third-Party Cookies and tap on it to open up your preferences. You are going to see two distinct choices here, and each one changes how websites interact with your data. The first option is to allow third-party cookies. If you select this, it lets all websites track your activity across different sites. This is useful for keeping you logged into certain services, but the major trade-off is that companies will use this data to target you with personalized ads everywhere you go online. Your second choice is to block third-party cookies. This means Chrome automatically blocks tracking data when you are using this browser. Toggling this choice on gives you maximum privacy because it completely prevents websites from tracking your behavior across the web. However, the catch here is that some websites might stop working properly, features might break, or you might have to log in repeatedly. Features might break, or you might have to log in repeatedly. If you choose to block all cookies, but find that a specific website you trust is broken, you can fix this easily. Look right below the main options and tap on Add Site Exception. Type the exact website address into the field and tap on Add. This action whitelists that specific site, allowing its cookies to function perfectly, even while everything else remains blocked. Once you have picked the setting that suits your preference, you can back out of these menus. Go ahead and refresh any website you currently have open in your tabs. The changes will take effect immediately, and your new privacy settings are ready.